In this lesson, we are going to talk about how to save files while you are using Google Sheets. Now, for the sake of conversation, let's type name and amount here and the cells. And if you want to save this file on Google Sheets, just be aware that Google Sheets is working completely online. It's a cloud service. So there's no button where you can go File and Save As. All changes are being saved in Google Drive automatically. You can see here, it's written on the text that last edit was a seconds ago, which was this edit we just have done. I have a good news. If you don't like this version of your file, if you click here, it's going to take you to the version history of your file. If I go to 30 minutes ago, as you see, I have an empty file. And if I want to restore this version, all I need to do is click this button. It will take me back to the previous version. Now, but I have a good news here. If you want to download the file that you have worked on Google Sheet, you can go to the File menu and Download option, where it gives you several file types, such as Microsoft Excel file, comma-separated values, CSV file, or PDF document, even possible. If you click Microsoft Excel option here, the file that you are working on will be automatically downloaded to your local computer. That's how you save a file in Google Sheets. Now, let's go to the how to open a file. Let's say you have saved file before and you want to open that, you want to access that. Now, when I say file, because we are using a cloud service, we have two different options. One, the file which is saved online, which is completely an online file, where you can go to your My Drive and from there pick up the file that you have recently worked on and click that. And second option, if you have a file that you have saved before, you can go to the Upload button and select File from your device, and from here pick the file that you want to upload. Now, when you click the file and click the Open button, that is going to upload the file to your Google Drive, which will open for you in a new Google Sheet. Now, this is a file, and this is how you open a file on the Google Sheets.